If you want to make a batch of epically good grits, this is the recipe. I can eat these grits by themselves right out of the pan without anything else. They are so delicious, creamy, and flavorful. You have to try it.
I'm using stock today, but for sweeter dishes, swap this for water. Bring 4 cups of stock to a boil in a medium saucepan. Then, while whisking, slowly pour in 1 cup of grits. Whisking like this as we pour prevents the grits from clumping together. Now continue whisking for 2 minutes or until they thicken. Then add 4 tablespoons of butter, a 1/4 cup of cream, 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Seasoning the grits well like this truly makes a difference in how great they taste. Reduce the heat so the grits are at a very low simmer, and cook them this way for 20 minutes. As they cook, they will thicken even more. I honestly think this is the only grits recipe you need. They are so creamy and absolutely delicious, especially with a bit more pepper on top. Serve these as a side or for breakfast, and remember, if you plan to add something sweet on top like honey, swap the stock for water. The full recipe is on Inspired Taste. See you next time.